Class 3 Computer Chapter 4 The Internet and Introduction Part 4. Topic for today is opening a web page. Children, I hope you all have watched the video that I had sent earlier on this chapter, and in my last video on this chapter was the basic terminology, the basic terms that we use when we talk of the internet. One such term was web page. Web page is another name for web page is the website, which has got many pages. Website is like a collection of pages, like we have a collection of pages for a book. Same way, web page has many pages. It is also, web page can also be called as a website, and every website has got a home page. The first page, that like a book has got a cover page, web page has got a home page. To open a web page, that is what is all about today. That's the topic we are going to discuss here and learn how to open a web page. So there are some steps that you have to follow when you open a web page, and those steps are: first, you need to have a web browser. Web browsers, I told you, is a software which helps you to open different web pages or websites, which helps you to see various web pages. And every web page has got an address, and this address is typed in the address bar of a web browser. There are so many web browsers. If you read your previous topic, we learnt about the Google Chrome, we learnt about Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Netscape Navigator. All these are some very popular web browsers. Why they are called browsers? They are the browsers which helps you to browse the web pages. So that is why they are called web browsers. And to open a web page, a web browser is a must. So when you open a web browser, you get to see a window which looks similar to any other software that you learnt in MS Word, MS PowerPoint. The similar kind of a window opens, but here at the top you will see the close button, like you can see here, the mouse, zoom, there is a minimize button, maximize button, and close button. And then you have this new tab. This tab helps you to open as many number of web pages as you want. Like in Word, we can open as many number of documents, document 1, document 2, document 3 at the same time. Same way, you can open as many number of web pages using these new tab. And then there is this address bar, the long stripe you see here. Here is where you will type in your URL. URL is nothing, Uniform Resource Locator, means this is the address of the web page. That is why it is also called as address bar, because here is where the address of the web page is typed. And once you type the web page address, it will open up the website for you, the web page for you, and the page that you see first is the home page. And you can see that this is the new tab button, and this is the address bar button, and this is the URL place, HTTPS. You see, this is the website address. And the page that is opened here, the web page opened here is Wikipedia. This is the website where you can this is one such a website where you can find information on different topics. It's like an encyclopedia. Like, you know, encyclopedia, you seen these kind of books, the big huge books in our library, where lots of informations are stored in such books, and they are very huge in size, very big in size. So this is one such website which gives you information on various topics. So here they have searched the Wikipedia for the term internet. So it is giving you the information. Once you search this topic internet, the information on internet is being shown here. So like this, you can type a word of your choice and find as many number of as many type of or kind of information you want to know. You just need to type in the keyword that you want to understand. For example, you want to know more about the mango tree. You simply type mango tree in the search box here. There is a search button here. Here you see this search button. Here you have to type this in the search button. You type the topic. It will show you the websites related to the mango tree. It's like, and there are some search engines. Search engines are the ones which also help you to give information on various topics. You can search information on various topics. So children, I hope you have understood how to open a web page, and here are the steps that we discussed just now in the question answer form. This you have to do it in your copy and learn it well. Get used to the different terminologies of internet that will help you to understand and write any kind of answers that will be asked for any type of test, and read the chapter well. That's all for today, children. Take care.